Alright, here we are again with another video. We're changing out the gasket from the tank to the bowl on the Glacier Bay toilet. It's number 140 TAC 911 Glacier Bay. Alright, at first I bought this other gasket repair kit at Home Depot at Lowe's. It says universal, but after I took the bowl apart, this gasket was a little thin here. If you look at it. So we went to Home Depot because they actually carry the Glacier Bay line, and we got this other gasket. It's way thicker. So go on to the hex. See, this one doesn't really fix the hex, so we'll have to return that. So this one should fit nicely, and we'll get it on, and hopefully that solves the leak. Here we got the old gasket. Sorry about that. As you can see, it's pretty eaten up there, kind of worn out. Looks like it got crushed a little bit when it got installed. Maybe it didn't seat properly. And so I guess it ate away and leaking now. So we're gonna go install that over here on this toilet. And if that doesn't solve the leak, and then I guess I'll make another video. But it's a pretty simple fix. Just change out the part. And so all of you that have a Glacier Bay toilet, get your repair gasket at Home Depot, not Lowe's. That's what I made a mistake, and taking me an extra day or so. Alright, hopefully this solves the leak. Thank you for watching.